Hello, how are you? I'm Isai Milan, and today I will tell how to prepare my favorite recipe, pancake. We need an egg, wow, for the first time I broke it good. Then we will put the milk wheel, but not much like I just did. Now we will put the sugar, also with the salt. A little cleaning so that it does not stick to the pan. It's subterranean. Yeah. Last but not least, yeast. Get tired.
I changed it because it was going to water me.
After all that, we will heat a satin with oil. Let's cook.
With a lot of patience.
And we finished. I hope you liked it.
Bye, goodbye.